Hello, my name is Adam, and I'm going to be teaching you how to graph an equation. Our equation is y equals 2x minus 5. Equations come in use when you're converting currency like dollars to euro, or distance, meters to yards, or speed, like kilometers per hour. How many if you have 2 hours, then you can have so and so kilometers during those 2 hours. So right away you can see the y-intercept, which is -5, which affects the x and the coefficient. So then right away you can know that on the y-axis, which is this one, I remember this because y can go down like that, so it's the vertical axis, and x is just the remaining axis. So then y, -5, so -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. So right away you can know that it crosses that point. So then now you can make your table x, y, and then choose easy numbers to substitute the x with. For this is a multiplication, so you can choose any small number. -1, 0, 1, 2. -1 times 2 is -2, minus 5 is -7, 0, -5, 1, -3. So right now, after you have these filled in as the y right here, then you can just graph it right here. So then -1 is -7, -1 is -3, and we already know 0 is -5, and then 2 is -1. So then that right there is the line. So then the slope of a line is basically how much it goes up by. A negative slope is going up from left to right, and a negative slope is going down from left to right. So a negative slope would look kind of like that. And then the slope of this line, to find out, you take these coordinates. For example, I'll take 0, -5, and 1, -3. To find out, you count how much it goes up to get level with the next coordinate. So this is 1, and then 2, and then keep that number. Just remember that number. And to get level, to get to the actual coordinate, count that too. So then in this case it's 1. So then you do 2 over 1, or rise over run. So the number you rise up by and the number you cross by. The run is how far you go side to side. If you go, yeah. So then 2 divided by 1 is the equivalent of 2. Thank you.